Hi, I'm Suzanne, a Stampin' Up demonstrator in Canada. Welcome to my weekly Monday Makes video on my blog and YouTube channel. The card designs I share today are simple, fun, and easy to recreate. I also sell the products I feature in this video. I hope you enjoy my free video tutorial and would love to see you shop with me. For today's card, I am featuring the Flowering Cactus stamp set, as well as the designer series paper that goes along with this product medley. So you've probably skipped over this as you were looking in your January-June mini catalog. This is on page 9, so it's right at the beginning and everybody misses it. This is all the products that you get with the product medley. It is a super cute stamp set, really fun dies. The dies actually cut out some of the images that you see on the right hand side, so there's a ton of images that you don't even have to stamp, which is kind of fun too. It, you know, put a card together very quickly. So I had so much fun creating this example today that I created quite a bit of projects using this product medley. And so I'm making it an online class. And you know how my online classes work. You just buy the products from me, you get all the inspirational videos, and you get consumable products as well for no extra cost. So moving on for this video for today, Monday, it's a very simple card. I have Purple Posy here as my card base. I have my I can't call it Whisper White anymore. It's basic white paper. And I have the Flowering Cactus designer series paper cut in specific measurements. And I just put little sticky notes straight on the little paper, and you can copy them down if you wanted to do this design yourself. There, you could probably use many different papers. I really like the fact that when I'm looking through the designer series papers, I can use many different colors from the same pack because they're all coordinating, but they're different, and they all have the same theme, but they're different. I like it. So I've used Highland Heather for the sentiment today. And I mean, it's a pretty simple card. So that basic white is 4 by 5 1/4. And then I popped this paper up with dimensionals, and I also popped up the bottom purple flower one. You know, it's really strange because I just dig cactuses very much, and it's because in Canada I don't have any. It's not like you can walk down the street and see cactus. It's not a thing here. And my friends in Texas probably shake their head and go, well, it's, you know, not a big deal because it happens, you know, every day for them. But seriously, I have pine trees, and I mean, I have other trees too in where I live, but we don't really get cactus. There are succulents. We can have a few succulents, but you had to plant them yourself. My nail technician has a big selection of succulents outside her house. I don't think she gets much snow on it. And I don't know how well cactuses are going to, is it cacti? Fare with Arctic vortexes that apparently most of the country is experiencing right now, except here in BC where we don't get that kind of cold weather. Anyway, I've adhered that to my card base, and the super quick card. What I am doing here is just removing the stickers there so you won't see them anymore. And I brought out these like flowers. I don't even know what they are. They're flowers that are from the cactus, I guess. Again, Canadian, don't know how cactuses work. Apparently they have flowers. So, and yeah, I'm just glue dotting these felt flowers to the card as embellishments. I thought it was so cute. I even took it a step further and I hit them with a little bit of Wink Estella. I don't know if it did any difference, but whatever. You know, I had to give it a go. Anyway, that's my share for today. Thanks for hanging out with me on a Monday, and I will see you in another video. Bye for now. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.